Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy option. Click on the Settings option once again. Then click on Personal Details option. Click on the Profiles option. Then click on your profile. Now tap on the Name option. Here, remove your previous name and type in a new one. You'll also have to keep in mind that you cannot change your name again up to 60 days. Tap on Review Change option. Here, Facebook will give options on how your name will appear on your profiles. Select one. Then tap on Save Changes button. And that is how you can change your name on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.